So today, I'm gonna bring you guys to do errands with me because I'm almost leaving for Milan Fashion Week. Let's go! So a super quick pull from Bonita. I really love her stuff and she's very easy to work with as well. So we have a bunch of stuff here. And then we're gonna head to Louis Vuitton now. I usually stop by whenever I do Fashion Week. So it's like a tradition for me. Let's go! It's the best Louis Vuitton jacket I've ever tried. Pull out or pattern? So we just finished our pull-out. Now I'm gonna meet my sister and Yoni. We're gonna check out art fair. I'm so happy I'm able to check it out because I remember the previous year. If there was the previous year, I think I was in New York pa. Not so sure, but yeah, I wasn't here. And now my sister got me tickets to view the art fair early. And I can't wait. As a tita who has just commissioned her first artwork, I now feel like I'm cultured. No, just kidding. But yeah, I like looking at all these like nice things, especially now that we have Kokoro House. We're filling up the house slowly with artwork that we like and appreciate. I don't really know a lot of artists yet, and I don't really think I will ever be like a true collector like my sister, but I do appreciate good art, especially for Kokoro House. Let's go! We're off to do a fitting for Sienna because she will be a flower girl again. Are you ready to fit your dress? Let's go!
I have pink dress. They also have yellow and white and pink.
Okay. Excuse me, camera.
Excuse me, camera.
Wait lang.
Wait, yeah.
I'm coming back soon.
I'm coming back soon.
Okay. Do you like your dress?
Yeah.
Can you try to walk in it? Let's see if you won't fall. Is it easy for you to walk?
No.
No. But it's okay. You don't step on your dress naman. Okay lang. You want to change na? Okay. Bye, camera. See you again later. Are you going inside mommy's tummy again?
I'll be inside here. Look at my door stand up there.
You cannot. You can't fit.
Why I can't fit me on the box? I don't know how.
Oh no. How?
I don't know how.
Welcome to my life.
I don't know how can it fit, Mama? Mom, open pa, open. How? Open,
Oh no,
open.
like, it won't fit. Your hair is getting ulo na. Let's go na.
Mommy, I want to get it. Mommy, I want to get it.
And it's not yours, eh. What will you do with it? And then, where will you put it?
I put on my room.
No, my love, it's not ours. The Kuya Guard will say we stole it. See, the Kuya Guard is there, oh. So since we're already in Makati, I decided to stop by the showroom. If it's a bit noisy, it's because, you know, we're working people over here. Lots of things going on. So yesterday, we actually just finished the post-construction cleaning with Mrs. Siennas. And they did such a good job because the place is actually high ceiling. So from damning dust hiding sa pipes and everything, and they really went all the way up there to really clean everything. The dust was so thick, but they were able to clean everything so well. So now I just came by to help the hubs because he's not really strong on the furniture fixing. So I made sure to just fix everything so that everything looks cohesive. If you've been following us before, then you know that a bunch of these furniture pieces were actually already in Yoni's previous showroom. So we just made do with what we have because we didn't want to buy even more. So yeah, so this is the look now. I'll do a proper tour maybe next time when we're here and there's already decor. We don't have decor yet. Like, we're still gonna hang like mirrors here and then some like our old artwork from like the old Cocker House. We'll also move it here. But yeah, you see our old patchas here from old Cocker House also. Marami pang stuff actually that's not done. I'm gonna show you. So here we have all the samples. We have here our bathroom. I think you guys weren't able to see our toilet area the last time. I'm really proud of this because we always say that there's so many ways that you can use peony surfaces. So you'd see also like the different textures. But aside from the textures, you can use them for your sinks as well. So this entire sink is actually peony surfaces because we have a bunch of products that's waterproof. So that's perfect for your bathroom, your toilet. And I'm still in the midst of convincing Yoni to also do their pantry in peony surfaces. Because diba, people sound off on the comment section below. Diba, in the showroom, you're supposed to show them like in what other areas you can use the products, right? So I feel like a lot of people will appreciate seeing peony surfaces on their kitchen, like as a countertop or also in their cabinets. Like you can also coat it with peony surfaces. So hopefully he follows my advice. We have their office area. Yoni is still missing his pantry though. He's still like dilly-dallying if he's gonna order from IKEA or he's just gonna have it done. But I will make sure also to push him as the sound wife that I am. So yeah, I'm really so happy to finally have this. So this is where I'll hang out every time I come here to the city. If you're wondering why Sienna is not here, she's with her ai. I shipped her off there because we were doing some shoots here so that she doesn't bother mommy. And also my sister has been bugging me for a date with Sienna, so that's why they're having their date right now. I'm off to pick her up. Let's go.
What's that? Did you enjoy your date with Ai?
Show mama your bubbles.
Ay, sus! Nako, so many gifts. Did you say thank you? Yeah. Oh, hold on, mommy will get you.
Good morning. If you're wondering what happened here, I wanted to show you guys in the spirit of 100% transparency. As I've told you guys, I wanted to show more of my skin's flaws. These two things were not even pimples. I just decided to murder my skin because, you know, I always preach about, you know, taking care of your skin and like really letting your skin breathe and just not doing anything. But we all have our weak moments. So I poked it and now it's a major bruise. This one as well. So I just wanted to show you guys this thing to remind you to keep your hands off your face so that you don't get this. So now, for the rest of the vlog, just gonna be doing this. Just kidding. But anyway, so I'm gonna start packing for Milan Fashion Week soon. Well, by soon, I mean later tonight. But first, I must have my lashes fixed by New Lounge. It is still okay. I just want it to be super perfect before I fly out. Also, I am gonna be having my nails done. And then we're gonna visit the grannies. And then I can come home to pack. I actually don't have anything planned again for Milan. Surprise. I wanted to be really chill about this. I was like, okay, let's see if I'll do some shows or not aside from Onitsuka. But you know, we still have to plan some looks after all. Hopefully, I'm able to whip something up. Fingers crossed. Where's mommy's good morning hug?
Penny also want to hug you. You hug Penny.
But mommy still wants the plenty kisses.
20 kisses?
What did you say you're doing, my love?
How can I go far away? Come, Mama.
Okay, go. Almost. Are you sure it's almost? What were you wiping, my love?
The milk.
Very good.
This is my milk.
What is your milk good for again? You remember?
Bones.
Correct.
So I got stronger and stronger and stronger.
Correct.
Ah, you're so strong.
I'm so strong because I drink milk.
Correct. All done with my nails. My lashes are also all retouched. And now we're at my parents' home having dessert after lunch. What's your dessert, madam?
Ice cream.
What's the flavor?
Chocolate.
Is it yummy? Can mommy have a little bit?
You got now your own air.
Mommy didn't get. Only daddy has. Mommy didn't have.
But I will finish it.
Oh, you'll finish it? Okay then. Enjoy your ice cream, my love.
Why singing that I'm not going somewhere?
Yeah, but mommy's still saying that enjoy your ice cream. Why are you judging me? Why are you judging mommy?
My eyes like that because the ice cream is cold.
Okay, the ice cream is cold.
I need to cook the order. Maybe slow because I don't know how to be fast.
Okay, Nene, wait na lang.
Okay?
Okay,
Promise, okay?
okay, promise.
Hi.
Can I have one coffee, please?
No, that is only for daddy.
Okay. How about for mommy? Can mommy have tea?
I will see.
Okay. Can I also order one nose-to-nose, please?
Hi.
What's your order?
Donut Walnut. Chocolate. What flavor? Pink. Okay, strawberry.
Okay, let's pack. Ay, here we go again. Okay, let's pack for Onitsuka first because we are going with Onitsuka. So it is my priority. So these are not for the show. These are for our shoot. Super cute. Also this shorts, matching bucket hat, and then we have some more for the shoot. My favorite Onitsuka tiger hoodie. I have this already in white and black. Happy to have it in red for Chinese occasions. And then this is just a show option they sent also to me, but I think this is too plain and harder for me to style, so I feel that maybe this is better. So it's like a sheer top. Sobrang simple. This was my problem because it's just this that they're giving me for the show, and it's so much harder for me to style because it's just a top. But we will do our best. I think they also have like a suit for me that's coming from regional, so we'll see if I'll be wearing that or this one. But to be safe, I need to style this as well. These are gonna be my show shoes. My first lace-up sandals from Onitsuka Tiger. Really cute. Oh, my socks then. I think I already have this one. What else do we have? Oh my god, it's Sienna's shoes! Look at how cute. Sienna's feet are humongous, by the way. So if you're wondering why it's this big for an almost 3-year-old, it's because she got her father's feet. I'll put this back so she can unbox it. Another pair. Next pair. Last pair from Onitsuka. These. Ooh, very different. Also got a bunch from BD Daily. Some jackets. I think I've worn the gray one of this for previous Onitsuka. I've also already worn the black one of this. But I love them. It's really the coolest. Also have a bunch of BD Daily stuff. Hopefully we can mix these with my Onitsuka pants. Have some really cool vests. This skirt. Also have this sheer situation. Maybe we could do sheer as well. What do I wear inside? Just might work. And then with the sandals. Oh my god, I look like crap. Pero this is really how I look like every time I pack for Fashion Week. Let's see. I think it's really cool. Just need like a beanie so that it's like a more cool girl outfit. I think so. At least we have options. I also have another option with the different top from Onitsuka. So depending on what I feel like on the day. Also have something from Fendi. Sent over a top and a bag. So nice. So this is how you wear it. As in like folded talaga siya. And then this top. This is the mess so far. The messy situation. More mess. My love, can you help mommy?
Which one?
Here, mommy will give it to you. Just put it in mommy's luggage, okay?
Okay. Where's your luggage?
By the window. Still half, my love. Still half. Can you still?
I will first tap.
Okay.
Because this one might kick me.
Okay, no running.
Okay. Camera, yuk. Mommy, the luggage is full now. The other side of the luggage is full now. How about the other side?
Mommy will fix it.
Okay. Mommy, let's go.
Hold on.
Sit.
Mommy will fix it.
Silly girl. Where's Mama? Where do you be?
Mommy was just here. Mommy was just quiet. Tomorrow, Mommy will go ride the airplane now, okay?
Why?
Because Mommy's gonna go to work, remember? Mommy needs to go to Milan.
Milan to cut hair?
No, my love. For Fashion Week, for work. Mommy will be away for 6 days, ba? I miss you.
So many hugs.
Oh, so many hugs. That's 1 hug. And then 2 hugs. 10 hugs. Oh, my baby girl.
I'm not a baby.
Yeah, but you're Mommy's baby girl. Close like that, Daddy.
Mommy, I want hug and kiss.
Of course.
And so many kisses.
Of course.
I want this kiss.
That many? Okay, Mommy agrees. 4. 10. I love you forever.
I want that. I want to take Mommy.
Okay.
This hugs.
Okay. 2.
1, 2, 4, 10.
Yes.
I said this kiss.
Okay.
9.
You have a chubby cheeks. Daddy, wait for Mommy.
Shake hands. Pinky. Fist bump.